legs I just finished. $26.50 for the legs. So we'll be cutting right now. One leg, and we'll be. So we will come up 16.5 where the frame will sit. 16.5. Scribe it. 1.5 inches. Right there, 1.5 inches. Just gonna scribe the line straight across. Bam. I'm gonna notch that out. So, 2x4 frame. This will be standing up. Notch out, and the frame will go right into that. And that will hold the front. Now we're just gonna get the rest of this out with the scroll saw and get all that junk out of there. So the 2x4 should fit like that. The front part off the bench. So here we go. This is another Harbor Freight tool. Into place right there and right there. And you get them flush with the edge. Flush with the edge. So I'm gonna come over just a little bit more. Okay. And that's how you get the front part of the bench. And we will glue it and we will screw it to get it in place. And we'll get doing it. So now we're gonna get this glue put into there to each one of the legs. And this is another Amazon buy. Comes in handy. Suggest you get one. And you want to square this up. See, it's a little out of square. You just close it up. Square it up. Flush it up. To that side, make sure it's still flush. Then once you're square, you just pre-drill a couple screws. Couple screw holes. So you don't split the ends. If you don't, you'll split this and it'll come out. Then you switch it out. I'm gonna drill it. Okay. Drill a couple 2.5 screws. So I use just hold in place. Set those in. Alrighty, so I got this side tied in. Got a couple screws right in there. So this is it. It's the front. Now I'm gonna be doing adding these for the seat So it'll be 22 inches. That'll determine the seat. So here we are, moving it to 22 frame. So I'm gonna put it at 22. Bam, and we'll make some cuts. We're gonna make 4 of these. 4. Now we're gonna do the backing for the backrest, which is 19 inches with the 15-degree angle. So remember, move it to 19. There we go. So now I'll measure from the bottom. This is the front frame, so I'm going to measure from the bottom to here, and that will determine the backing for the table, because you want it to match up with the top and to right here. So I'm putting a 2x4 from so you can determine whether how big you want to see, how big you want the table. 20 inches. 20 inches inside. 20 inches. Yeah. No, we'll do. So come back. 20 tables. The inches. 2 foot. 2 foot to the inside. 2 foot. Or sorts. So inside. Just like that. Now got a hole. Let's see. Now punch it in. Now it's redraw. Okay. Screws. See there? Screws in here. Okay. There we go. Make sure it's square. Always go like this. This square. Always make sure it's square. Just do so back. We'll read this. Get this. More screws. This all in here. Oh shit. Screws. Perfect. And now this. Get that pencil. Okay, so 2 foot. Go a couple holes. Screws. Go. Screws in. That's pretty good. Okay. Legs, you got to make sure you have the same length as these ones down here. Screwed in right there. Remember to leave space for, like, if you do lag screws and all that, leave space in the middle, because you don't want to run into your screws that are. It's not that bad. A couple more screws. Yeah, that's. This is the frame. We'll add the table backing, which goes right here. Grab you real quick. So this will go, these are the 10-inch. So here's the frame. This is the front. I make these ones the front, the one with the notches. So here it is, and so this is pretty much gonna go like this, but it's gonna be, I make it to where I can just flush it up on bottom, where the table is, flush it up on bottom, and where it's the same height as those. So we'll do that real quick. So these are for the table. 4 10-inch. So these are gonna go inside right here. Flush them on the bottom. We gotta get a clamp. Don't ask me why I don't use clamps right now, but yeah, well. There's those. More screws. Alright. Those in. these. Let's see. These are these something else. Red Bull. Here's one of my. Here it is, all complete. Just needs to be torched and clear coat. Alrighty guys, so we're gonna do a water-based polyurethane to coat it. Open one, coat. So one weight, but it'll dry clear. Do the best polyurethane. Actually, I'll put this better. But this is what that, so we have some. There we go. Alright, shake it up. I shake it so good. We'll do. Like this one, here it goes. Use a towel, ready one, how do you brush this?